So, like terms have the same combination of letters. Remember we talked about this before. So you need to put the same shape around any set of like terms. So have a look at these ones here, and you need to decide if there are like terms. So for example, if I put a triangle around that one, you're going to put a triangle around anything that is like that. So make a choice. You may want to put squares around another one, you may want to put circles around another one, you may want to just use different colours. If you're unsure, you may want to make sure it's in pencil so you don't have to mix it. Georgie? Are you going to ask Alice to tell me something? I'll ask you guys first. Let's have a go first. Are they ready for Seeker? That's that. Sarah can't do it, can she? No. In your mind, you're thinking shapes, Sarah. Oh, let's pause this because this is boring. I can make it. Okay, so is there anything like this term? Hands up.
Yeah.
Georgie.
2 ABC.
Okay, 2 ABC. Hands up if you agree with Georgie that you think this is like AB, 3AB. Well, lots of hands up. Abby, your hand's not up. Why do you not think it's like it?
Because there's no C in the first one, and it's 3, not 2.
Okay, so you have your hand up. Why didn't you have your hand up?
Because you said what the like, so it's kind of like Abby's. This is 3 AB, and there's 2 ABC, and you can't like compare them if they don't have the same ending.
Okay. Jade, you had your hand up saying it was a like term. Why is it a like term?
In the combination, it has to have at least a letter in it. Wait, Miss Harrison?
I said at least a letter? Oh, did I? Are you sure?
Oh no, it has to have.
I put my hand up because we're not focusing on the numbers, we're focusing on the letters. And it has AB and it has AB on the 2. So I just
Miss Harrison?
put those letters in there.
That's it?
You said like similar, and I guess if the ones look the same,
But does it have the same combination of letters?
yeah.
Oh! Hang on. Maya, you haven't said anything.
Well, I think it's sort of like terms. It's both got a number and a word.
Okay. Alright, okay, I made first some of your bubbles.
Is it BA? Because they have the same letters, but it's just switched around. Because ABC is not the same as AB. There's 2 of us switched around.
I'm loving it. Yeah, I am loving it. So this is the one that should have had a triangle around it. So when I said they have to have the same combination of letters, the key word here was the same. Maybe I should have put exactly the same. Oh, that's not where that goes. I should do that. They have to have exactly the same combinations of letters. It can't have anything in addition. Now remember, the numbers just tells us how many of those terms there are. So here there are 3 lots of AB. Here there is just 1 lot of AB. Now, I was sneaky because I put them in a different order. What does it mean when I have 3AB? What does that actually mean? Georgie?
3 times 3.
Good. 3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by B. Does it matter which order we multiply things? No. Who said yes?
I was thinking because of, I thought it was because A has to be before B.
When we write things in algebra, we normally write them in alphabetical order, but when we actually multiply things together, it doesn't matter which order we do it, does it? Okay? So that's why the B and the A could be written the other way around. So I was a bit sneaky pants. Is there anything like the 2ABC? Is there anything like the 2ABC? Maya, you haven't answered anything. Is there anything like 2ABC? Yes, no, you've got 50-50 chance.
Oh, sorry.
You might have, yes. 50-50. Go on, you can do it. No, you're shaking your head? with conviction.
So can I hear these?
No, so I'm saying, is there anything like the ABC, the two ABC? Is there anything like that? No. Okay, does anyone disagree with Maya? Oh, Sarah does. What do you think is like the ABC?
5B squared C.
Now, the key here is that you've just used an extra word, haven't you? What did you say when you said this?
B squared.
Did we have to say everything was squared here? So is that going to be the same combination of letters?
No. Oh, so that one has to be with there's no negative C.
So, well, we'll come to that one in a second, but what did you say, Abby?
There's no A in that.
And there's no A in this one either. Okay, so there's nothing like that one, so that one's all on its own. So let's have a look to see if there's anything like this one. I'm going to put square, well, actually, it's rectangle. So we've got 5B squared C. So this is where we have to try and remember what do these things mean. What does B squared mean? What does it actually mean? Maya? B times by itself. So if I wanted to write this in a long format, I could write 5BBC. Is that agreed?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, is there anything like this one? Oh, and shooting up. Satika. Negative CB squared. I'm loving it because this could be written negative CBB, couldn't it? Yes?
Yes.
Does it have the same combination of letters?
Yes.
So does it satisfy our rules of being a like term?
Yes.
So it doesn't matter if the negative there?
Totally, because the number in front just tells us how many of them there are. Okay, so the number is not important. So that's why I didn't mention numbers up here. It's just the letters that we're interested in. Okay, so we can put a square around that bad boy. Is there anything like a B squared?
No.
No, he's on his own as well. All right. We feel a bit happier about a like term.
Yeah.
Treasure. All right, so if terms are alike, it means that we can add or subtract them. So here we've got 4F plus 2F. Hopefully, it's a straightforward question. 4F plus 2F. You've got 4Fs, you're adding on 2Fs. What have you got, Georgie? 6F.
Wouldn't be FF?
Oh, good question. No. Because the F is my term, okay? So if I've got 4 of them plus 2 of them, I've got 6 of them. I don't change my term. If I had said T multiplied by T, then that would become T squared. Okay, but if I have T plus T, I've got 2 T's. Because I've got a T plus another T.
Oh, that makes more sense.
Yes, so the letter itself, whilst it tells us it's a like term, it's not really important what the letter is. It could be a picture of a banana there. So you could have 4 bananas plus 2 bananas, you'd have 6 bananas. You wouldn't change the picture.
Oh, it's 4 of 6. I want the 6 times 4. Oh, 4 times F.
So that is what that means. And we had 4 of them,
Yeah.
and we've got another 2 of them. So that
But
means we've
I
got
thought it was like F was a number and 4 was a number.
I see.
Instead of like being separate. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes, Maya, you can do it. This is Maya, and then Maya, you can do the next one.
Oh.
Oh, you got time to think about it.
I know.
Oh, now I have one question before you do it, just in case it may or may not change your answer. I've got this add sign was quite straightforward because there was just one sign. I've got a couple of different signs here, so you've got to be careful when we're doing this that we're adding and subtracting the right thing. So who does this plus sign actually belong to?
Oh, no.
Good. So sometimes it may be a good idea just to keep the signs next to the thing so you can read it nice and clearly. Okay, Mike, tell me what your answer is. Lovely. Can you tell me how you did that?
I did 7G plus 3G, which is
Nice. Beautiful. Loving your work.
Oh, I did that.
Right, pressure's on, Adamaya. Okay, first of all, we have to say to ourselves, are they all like terms? Okay, we didn't ask these ones because that was a bit remiss. So are all of these like terms to start with? So we need to look carefully at our combination of letters. So sometimes, you know how I did this one up here? And I expanded it out, I wrote BBC. And that was a lot easier to check that I had two B's and only one C. Here, 9ABB, oh sorry, AB squared. So I would have 9ABB.
They're not
Yes?
all like, they are like,
Okay.
no, they're not.
No fighting. We'll find out in a second. Maya, how do I expand this bad boy?
2AAB.
And then this one, Jade?
4ABB.
Alright, do I have the same combinations of letters for all of them?
No.
Which one of you two are saying yes?
Oh no, I didn't say yes.
Are we happy that there's a different combination now? Yes? So this baby here can just stays on his own. We're only allowed to join this one with this one. Yes?
So at the end it'll be like 2AAB plus the M2.
Yes, exactly. Yes. So remember what I said about the sign and who it belongs to. So let's make sure we remember that this belongs to this. This belongs to this. So what are you going to join together now, Maya?
9ABB plus 2AAB.
You're going to join these two together?
Oh, wait, no. 9, well, the first 9.
We're going to do this one?
Yeah, and then 4AAB.
Okay, so remember, think about, I've made sure I've put my sign, my circle around my signs. So what are we actually trying to join together?
9AB squared subtract 2AB.
That's a secret four. And how many does that give us?
13.
Okay, so we've got 9. And we are, you told me to subtract 4.
Oh, 5.
B squared. Good girl. And then as Fasika said, we can then just write plus 2a squared b. Fasika, as you said, we could have also written it at the front if we wanted to, because it says like that. But I normally write what's left at the back.
Would you get it wrong if you didn't change like the 9ABB?
If you wrote them, say again?
Would you get it wrong in the test if you didn't change the 9AB squared to 9ABB?
No, totally not. This essentially is just my working set, just to make sure that I know whether it's a like term or not. Okay? What we have to remember is that this AB squared, only the B is being squared. Alright, so that's why it's just 9ABB. It's not 9AABB, which is what some people get confused with. Okay? So this is just my working set, just to make sure I decide what's like and what's not. Because they look so similar, it's easy to make them click. Madison?
Could you written 5AB?
You could have done, but let's try and aim to use our powers when we can see that there's a letter that's been repeated. Okay? Totally. Yeah. Let's just erase it. Don't apologise. So are you happy that whether they're like terms? And are you happy deciding whether it's like term or not? Yeah, so they're not all like terms. So you're happy that we're just joining this baby with this one? You sure? That's the hardest step. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a circle around each of these things. And I'm going to make sure I keep the sign with it. Okay? So I'm only joining these two with a tick. So I've got 9AB squared, take away 4AB squared. No, I don't want to get into that. I want you to be able to read it that 9 take away 4. Okay? So we're just ignoring the middle term completely. You're just doing 9AB squared, subtract 4AB squared. Yeah? So, and how many does that give us? That's it. So that would be 5AB squared. And then I'm going to write whatever's left. Okay? So I write plus 2A squared b.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Actually, it doesn't look And now just give the answer.
And that's it, the end. It can't get any simpler.